Hey guys, it's 2/22/22 on a Tuesday. Haha. Here we have the results of this year's Agar Lab. So second period decided to swab the aquarium lid before and after. And of course the disinfectant we used was a solution of vinegar. So was our solution effective? Well, as you can clearly see, yes, it was effective at killing that original species of bacteria. However, there was some sort of contamination, some sort of experimental error, and you can see mold and some orange bacterial colony growing there. So I'll let you guys explain where the experimental error might have come from. Finally, we did a keyboard. One of the guys let us use his phone, and then we swabbed the window, and you could see all sorts of mold, which is fungi, as well as common bacterial colonies like Bacillus subtilis and probably even staph, which is just normal. It's common stuff. Like I said in class, it only causes problems when it gets infected into your skin, that kind of thing. Okay. And then fourth period, again, you can clearly see the vinegar worked. We swabbed a corner of the lab, kind of behind the aprons and lab coats where it doesn't get mopped that often. So there's all kind of dirt and grime and whatnot. So yeah, you can see it worked. It was great. That's the best one. And then for, chucks and giggles, we swabbed the AC vent, the blinds, the Sega Genesis by the TV and the VCR back there. And then of course the whiteboard. And same thing, you can see tons of mold and then tons of bacteria as well. These guys picked the 4 items in the room that are probably the dirtiest in terms of biodiversity compared to the other classes. Fifth period did a shoe, the bottom of the shoe before and after. And for that after, yes, you can see the disinfectant, our vinegar was effective. The one thing, there's that orange colony. So there's one little experimental error, but my guess is that the crevices on the bottom of the shoes where that disinfectant spray did not reach. So that's my guess. And then again, we have a doorknob, not too bad. There's a little mold on there and stuff. And we swabbed the lizard's belly. So it's kind of like when aliens abduct humans, we swabbed the lizard. That Sudan plate lizard that's in the lab, and yeah, there's some yellow colonies and all sorts, probably some salmonella, who knows. And then we swabbed the eyebrow of one of the guys, and it's not too bad, just mold. Mold grows big, but it's just that one big colony of mold to kind of look at there. And finally, just for chucks and giggles, just for funsies, we did a few other items. I did my phone, not too bad. We did one of the tables where guys eat lunch, and there's all kind of crumbs and stuff there. So my hypothesis worked perfectly. There was all kind of things growing there. Surprisingly, the restroom was one of the cleanest things. The urinal handles weren't too dirty at all. So that's a good thing, makes you feel good. And then the turtle, kind of like the lizard earlier, it's full of bacteria, but mainly just the same species, but there's a lot of that species. It's a monoculture. And then kind of wrapping it up, my keys, there's a mixed bag of species there, but not too many. Finally, the one item I was kind of surprised about was the football. I thought because so many guys are, throwing it around, I thought there'd be more species growing on it, but that wasn't the case. Like I said, the dirtiest things that we found were probably from fourth period. So that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, peace out and God bless you.